Guys, what is up? What's up, guys? You're back. You clicked on my videos before. You've been looking at my videos. Appreciate it, guys, man. I really do. If you're new to my channel, you clicked on it and you're gonna check it out. My name is Alex. Welcome. I hope you stick around, guys. Check it out. I'm gonna be fishing over there on that kawak under that bridge, and some local fishermen and as well as friends have been telling me that the redfish are running and some snook, tarpon, whatnot. So hey, I know I haven't been filming for a couple of days and I haven't posted anything, so I gotta come out here and give it a shot, right? All we can do is try, guys. So anyways, check it out. I'm gonna try to catch a couple of greenbacks. I'm also gonna throw some thumper shrimp, some soft plastic shrimps, and a couple of lures and see how it goes down. All right, guys. So stick around for the video. Hopefully something good comes out. It's going to be a one-man operation, camera, drop net, because I'm going to be up there high, so I won't be able to, grab it with my hand. I don't have to do the drop net. But let's hope it all goes well. Guys, stick around. Let's get it done. Let's do it. I'm excited too, guys. Look what I got. A gift from my mother, man. She saw me struggling with my audio, my other old GoPros, like the 6 and the 5. I was making them work, but ain't nothing like having something up to date, man. So I'm really excited today. Hopefully I show you guys something awesome, some awesome content. And well, let's go. Enough talking. Let's get it done, guys. Let's go. All right, fellas. I'm gonna try to throw a few blind casts and see if I come up with some greenbacks and pilchards. All right. So let's check it out. Well, I got them, guys. I got a couple. Not many, but I got a couple. Let me see. I just gotta keep catching them. I'm gonna turn to the camera so I can keep catching them, guys. All right, guys, I'm throwing this. This is the first thing I'm gonna throw. I already have a live pilcher on like a 3-inch little pilcher on my live line rod, and I'm gonna throw this for moonfish, maybe whatever bites, pompano, whatever bites. I see a bunch of mullet jumping over there. Oh my god, a lot of mullet. Okay, they're coming this way too, so hey, wish me luck, guys. It's the first cast with this little 2-inch swim bait. The current is kind of fast right now, so I might need to add a little bit more weight to my jig. Right now I'm currently, oh, look at all the mullets. Oh, the tarpon are going at it. Oh my gosh. Look at trash again. Oh my goodness, the tarpon are going at it right now. Awesome. Oh. What the heck? I don't know what this is. I think this is a ladyfish. It's got some power to it. I think she's done. Yeah, I think she's done. Let's see what it is. I'm not sure what it is. It's a ladyfish. Swing it over. That's funny. Oh my gosh. That is funny, guys. But I caught it with this, look, guys. With a thumper shrimp. Sometimes there's snooks instead of a ladyfish. It could be a snook. Sometimes it's a small tarpon. But that's micro jigging for you. Light tackle. And I'm not gonna keep this, I'm just gonna throw her back. Oh gosh. Take it easy, lady. You're going back inside, lady. There she goes. Bye bye. Oh gosh. Oh, I'll tell you what, man. Ladyfish can really pull drag, man. Definitely pull drag. And I'm using the Stratic 3000 with the 7.6 medium, light medium, I guess. Rod, custom rod. Here we go again. Let's go again. Oh man, they're busting right now. It's like everything's coming. I think the tide is changing, and that's why it's trying to bite. But it's kind of late. It's midnight. Well, it's actually 11:15. Actually, I just saw the phone. My wife works tomorrow at 6 in the morning. I have to get home soon. So in the morning, my son wakes up and he wakes up at 7 in the morning. If I don't get any sleep, I'll be hurting. Guys, got a fish finally. Again, it's been a long night. It's been a tough night. Oh, I think it came off. I think it came off. That sucks. All right, guys. Well, I've been casting like 3 times. I've been fishing for like about an hour, and I got a big ladyfish. I just lost one just now, so let's see what else is out there. I've been throwing a 3-inch artificial shrimp. I got a couple hits. Haven't got hooked up yet. I've been throwing some greenbacks. I only caught a couple, like 6 of them. I got like 2 left, so hopefully something good happens, huh? And other than that, it's a great night, man. It's not too windy. It's pretty nice. So I'm just throwing it right on the shadow line, but hopefully it bites again and I get hooked up. Let me keep casting this little thumper shrimp. Maybe I get a snook or a something. Even the moonfish will be nice right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it works pretty. It's been working good. I just haven't got hooked up. Trash, trash everywhere. My goodness. I'll pick up around my little area. I'll pick up whatever I can, and try to make a difference. You know. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm using a microphone, wireless microphone right now. So, anyways, let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can get something with this thumper shrimp. Guys, I think I have another fish. I think so. Let me check. Oh yeah, I do. Oh, it's biting. Been waiting for a while. This one right here. I wonder what kind of fish it is. Hope it's not a catfish. Guys, got a fish finally. Again, it's been a long night. It's been a tough night. Oh, I think it came off. I think it came off. That sucks. All right, guys. Well, I've been casting like 3 times. I've been fishing for like about an hour, and I got a big ladyfish. I just lost one just now, so let's see what else is out there. I've been throwing a 3-inch artificial shrimp. I got a couple hits. Haven't got hooked up yet. I've been throwing some greenbacks. I only caught a couple, like 6 of them. I got like 2 left, so hopefully something good happens, huh? And But other than that, it's a great night, man. It's not too windy. It's pretty nice. Well, so I'm just throwing it right on the shadow line, and just let's see, guys. I think I have fish, guys. Could it be a catfish? I think it's a catfish. Yeah, let's bring it up. It might be a catfish, but it's a fish nevertheless. Oh no, it's a snapper. It's a snapper, guys. Little snapper. Well, I'll be darned. Well, the night has been slow, but it has been fun. Got some big bites. Got a big ladyfish, the snapper, which is not legal, but it's a snapper, so that's cool. I always like catching snappers, even if they're not big enough. But you know, just knowing that it's a snapper is pretty cool. Let me see if I have any more bait left, any more greenies, filtered sardines, or however people call them. Everybody calls them different, but greenbacks, I call them greenbacks. And yeah, let's see if I have another one. The bite was good. I was hoping it was like a big old snook or something, but it was just a small snapper. All right, let's keep trying, guys. I'm looking at the fishing rods. What you guys do for Halloween? How was it for you guys? Any of you guys get dressed up, or you stayed home and relaxed? I actually took my son out. It was his first time actually going houses and asking for candy. He had a blast, man. He loved it.
It's fine.
All right, man. We need to get that bite. We need to get that bite, guys. I hear the tarpon and the snook busting right now. Oh my God. Go help out this fellow fisherman, man. You always gotta help out, because sometimes you need help, and if you're not there to help them, when you need help, they're not gonna be there for you. So let me go. I'm gonna take my measuring ruler just in case. I got the drop net. I remember back in the day, I didn't have a drop net, so I was always asking for help, and somebody was always there to help me. So it's my turn to pay for. It came off? Oh, okay, no problem. It's cool. Bring them out. There's a bunch of tarpon right now. They're all biting. So it's all right. You can get them out. I got you. I got you.
Oh, you want to use it? It's really small.
It's small? You don't need to use it? Want to take a measurement real quick before you throw it back in?
Yeah.
Let's get a measurement on it before you throw it back in.
Crazy.
Nice, dude. Hey.
Little one.
Put it right down the front. Right. It's around. It's 26.
26.
Nice, dude. Nice. Good job, man.
I appreciate it.
When you come by here, you just drop them off. All right, buddy. Oh, guys, you saw that. He got a nice little tarpon. And I'm about to catch one. Watch, guys. The bite. It's a bunch of tarpon right now. Busting. I can hear them. And snook. Oh, gosh. All right, guys. All right, guys. So it's fish on, guys. It's fish on, guys. It was a little. Took me a little minute, but I got the bite. And it's probably a tarpon. Fight's pretty damn good. It feels good. Fight's good. It's awesome. I'm super excited, guys. Super excited. Super. Okay. I'm trying to get this phone on. Super excited, guys. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you liked the video. It wasn't, to my standards, it wasn't the best video ever made, but I had a good time doing it. I was actually out there mostly to test out my new equipment, my new video equipment. And FYI, the GoPro 11 Black is awesome, but it's not the best for nighttime. I mean, unless you have plenty of light around. But it is awesome. And my iPhone Pro Max is definitely decent for nighttime filming. So there you go. Guys, if you're new to the channel and you want to check out my other videos, check them out. I'll be going out there this weekend, hopefully making a daytime video. Hopefully I catch some good big fish. Anyways, guys, but that's fishing, guys. You know, sometimes you get big fish, you get plenty of fish. Sometimes, you know, you have an awesome video. Sometimes you don't. That's just the way it is, man. All right, guys. So appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yeah, big lady fish. That's all right, buddy. Thanks, man. I'm gonna call you again if I get a big one, all right? We're gonna be on video. You wanna be on video? Oh my gosh. What a mission, man. My phone didn't want to work. Something is wrong with my phone. I wanted video. What a mess.
Subscribe to my channel. See you soon.